Back on track. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, back on track. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just brushing up on your idiomatic expressions, understanding this phrase will certainly add to your English fluency. Let's dive in and get you back on track with your English learning. Back on track is an idiom that means returning to the right path or resuming progress after a deviation or pause. This phrase can be used in various situations, from personal goals to business projects. It suggests a positive forward movement after a setback. The phrase, back on track, has its roots in railroad terminology. Just like a train that has derailed needs to get back on its track to reach its destination, a person or project needs to get back on track to achieve its goals. This versatile phrase can be used in many contexts. Here are a few examples. After recovering from an illness, you might say, "I'm back on track with my fitness routine." If a project at work was delayed, once it's moving again, you could update your team by saying, "We are back on track to meet the deadline." While using this phrase, make sure not to confuse it with similar-sounding phrases that have different meanings, like back on track versus on the right track. The former implies a return to progress, while the latter suggests that one is already progressing well. And that's a wrap on Back on Track. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. Remember, learning a language is a journey with ups and downs, but as long as you keep going, you'll always get back on track. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.